So one of the things you can do to really help yourself is make sure you're using good quality soil that's not clay, that doesn't have weed seeds in it, that is going to really set you up for success. So definitely using some compost and a mix of some other stuff in there can really, really boost your harvests and really make it easier on yourselves. Some other things to think about is if you start from seed, those seedlings can really take some time to develop before they get hardy enough to be a little more unprotected, especially with all the storms that at least we're getting. Some of the wind can really damage little tiny seedlings, especially started from seed. And remember, not all of your seeds are going to sprout or germinate. And one of the ways you can boost that is by using our plant juice, and that'll help boost how many seeds germinate and how fast they germinate, so you get stronger plants faster, and you have to worry about them a little bit less.